Hi, we learnt about loops earlier. How did you find it? The concept of loops is an important concept for programming, which is used in number of applications. One of the main application of for loop is to generate various number series. Series generation can help you understand the techniques. To generate a series successfully, we need to understand the mathematical relationship among the members of the series. Here's a program to understand this. This number generates a Fibonacci series. A Fibonacci series is a series of numbers in which each number, called Fibonacci number, is the sum of the two preceding numbers. Like here, 1 is obtained by adding preceding numbers 0 and 1. 2 is obtained by adding preceding numbers 1 and 1. 3 is obtained by adding preceding numbers 1 and 2, and so on. Let's understand the program. First, we allow the user to input number of terms required in the series, and then we store it in the variable n. Next, we declare and initialize three variables: a equal to 0, b equal to 1, and c equal to 0. Here, c is the current term, b is the n minus 1th term, and a is the n minus 2th term. Then we run a loop from 1 to n and increment loop counter by 1 after each iteration. Inside the loop, first we print the value of current term, that is c, on the screen. Then we copy the value of n minus 1th term, n minus 2th term, that is a equal to b. Next, we copy the value of nth term to n minus 1th term, that is b equal to c. Finally, we compute the new term by adding previous two terms, that is c is equal to a plus b. Let's understand how this loop prints Fibonacci series. The value of c is 0, so 0 is printed on the screen. Next, the value of b is copied into a. Since b equal to 1, so the value of a now becomes 1. Now the value of c is copied into b. Since c was initiated to 0, so the value of b becomes 0 now. Since a equal to 1 and b equal to 0, so c is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. In the next iteration, we print the current Fibonacci term, that is c, so 1 is displayed on the screen. And again the entire process repeats itself as long as the value of I is less than or equal to n. Let's execute the program. We enter 10 as the result of Fibonacci series of 10 terms is printed on the screen. That's it in this tutorial, but we have some more programs of series generation in the code challenge. Please take the code challenge to practice further.